everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about a common issue that artists sometimes face, which is getting stuck in a routine or getting tired of repeating the same materials and techniques every day. It is not an unusual problem at all. In fact, it is entirely possible and can happen to any artist. As an art student, there are times when I get tired of working with usual academic techniques like oil color or charcoal every day. I really wanted to use different techniques and materials to bring some variety into my work, and I wanted to learn something that would be new and exciting for me, just like the first time I worked with oil color. Starting with oil pastels was such an experience for me. I felt so excited, just like the first time I learned other techniques. After each time I painted with oil pastels, I learned something new, and it was really so fun and extraordinary. I was genuinely craving to learn something new, and using oil pastels as a new technique made me passionate about art again, and made me want to try new things. Oil pastels, in a way, rescued me from the repetitive cycle of art education and added motivation to my art. In my opinion, every artist should explore multiple techniques to discover their potential and interests in different things. By doing so, we can find our own style. Also, we can combine these skills with other techniques and create something new. If an artist only focuses on one technique or material and never tries anything else, they might miss the chance to develop interest and explore their potential in other things. For example, before starting with oil pastels, I had no idea how much I would enjoy it or if I could even work with it. But after starting, I realized how much joy it brings me and how it fills me with motivation. Some artists prefer their oil pastel paintings to be delicate, soft, and without texture, while others, like me, are interested in a little bit of texture. Personally, I love the texture of oil pastels and their combination on paper. Oil pastels have a wide range of colors and brands. Some of them are very soft and creamy, suitable for delicate and texture-free paintings that require high pigment. But firmer oil pastels are suitable for details because you can sharpen their tips and create fine lines. However, I prefer softer ones because I can paint both textured and softly, and their combination is quite nice. One interesting aspect of oil pastels is that they allow artists to fully embody their own style and preferences. Some artists also use oil pastels with other mediums, like oil color. Additionally, oil pastels can be used on various surfaces such as wood, paper, cardboard, or even glass. All of these choices depend on the artist's preference. Personally, I love using oil pastels on colored papers like gray or even wood. Although I haven't tried it yet, it seems very interesting to me. In this technique, it's essential to keep your hands and the pastel's tip clean. You should clean them with a cloth every time you blend two colors together. Also, avoid using colors with high value contrast next to each other when blending. Keep in mind that oil pastels cannot be used like colored pencils because they lack sharp tips and have a creamy and soft texture, which limits their detailed work. Another difference between oil pastels and other mediums is that, for example, in oil painting, you can create a completely different color on your palette by combining colors together. However, it is not an easy thing to do with oil pastels. Although their blending ability on the paper surface are kind of easy, there is a possibility of smudging. Therefore, it is important to use colors that are close to each other to prevent from becoming muddy or dirty. For this reason, it is better to have a good understanding of colors and have a wide range of color options to be able to achieve more transparent and vibrant colors. And while choosing paper or any surface to paint on, I prefer not to use smaller A4 sized papers because they have less space and don't allow me to add many details in a small area. Thank you for watching until here. I hope you enjoyed. Also, if you have any questions or anything at all, feel free to tell me in the comments. I'll be happy to know your opinions. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. Goodbye for now and have a nice day.